Today's video, we're going to be changing antifreeze into this Mercedes-Benz I just picked up. I never owned a Mercedes-Benz. This is my first one. Figured it'd be some good channel content and, you know, educational at the same time. So I got it, and it's got water in it, and I don't know what mix of antifreeze it is. It's got a little antifreeze. Got a lot of smell to it, but you can see on my finger, if you look, just pretty much from what I can tell, a lot of water. So I'm going to drain it before winter. We have extremely cold winters down here. Well, not extremely cold, but still cold enough to destroy a motor if it's got water in it. So I'm going to show you how to drain it and bleed it today. I'm throwing a box under this. You might have to pull up your vehicle on ramps or jack it up. I'm a little small, you know, 180 pounds, so I think I can crawl under here. I can't fit. I don't know if you've seen these Daytona jacks from Harbor Freight. Hey, very good jacks. A little expensive, but they nice. I did unboxing one of this, and it's been a hell of a jack. That's probably plenty high enough. Thank you for the help. Now, I'm gonna have to fix all this stuff. Poor Mercedes falling apart on me. Now that we're underneath, we can get an idea of where the bleeder is for this. And actually it's on, what is that? This it? Yeah, it's on this passenger side. Yep, this is the passenger side. I got confused for the moment. Everything looks okay under here so far. Need to figure out the power steering leak in future videos. I might do that now. And the exhaust, we gotta figure that out. I see half of it's missing. Should be easy. Okay. What's that? That is power steering fluid. Sticky too. Well, it's ain't antifreeze. I thought I might have to put a hose on it. Okay, so we need to get something big right here. We come through the fog light hole, looks like. Just twist that. We're gonna pair of pliers and get you something to catch your fluid in, because it's gonna pour. See if we can get this plug here one-handed. Okay, I can't. I gotta set the GoPro down. I hope this is righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. We're about to find out. Ugh. I thought I did. Oh yeah. Ugh. Can't get to it. Okay, it don't come all the way out. You just twist it to start the leaking. And mine started leaking. We got a catch pan here. Should hold it. Now we let it drain. Take the radiator cap off up top. To go inside, turn your car on ACC and turn your heat full blast, because you want that valve open when you drain this. And you can see we got it running out, and it's a very light mixture. I say the mixture will be okay, but you know, I just wanted to go ahead and change it. I like my antifreeze to be about a 50-50 mix or a 75-30. Also, when you do this, it helps if you pointed just a hair bit downhill like I am in this video. I actually let my jack back down, so it's just setting, it's just draining. It's been draining about, I say, a good 10 minutes. It's gonna take a while. Oh God, that's full. The same way you loosen this, you want to tighten it. Just don't over tighten it. Just twist it. You probably can start twisting it little by hand and finish it with pliers. You don't want to over tighten. So what I'm using today is an all vehicles mix of Prestone, antifreeze, and coolant. This works on Mercedes. They do got different brands. You know, some of them won't work with European style cars. Some of them will, and then some of them's a mix and works with everything. This does really good. Very expensive, but worth it. Never had an issue with Prestone, but I really ain't never had an issue with any antifreeze. So you do see me use different brands, but if I can afford it, you know, everybody's on a budget, and when I can afford it, I get Prestone when I want to use, you know, something quality in my vehicle. And this being a Mercedes, I don't want to touch this anytime soon, or have the heater core corrode or anything like that. I'm putting Prestone in it, because this probably is an expensive vehicle to work on. I'm doing a 50-50 mix. This is concentrated, you must have water. So we're going to pour half of this in it, then half a jug. That seems correct. So let's try to hit the hole. And just take your time. Make sure your plug's tight underneath. And how am I telling I got half of this? By feel, by practice. That's it, and luck. Because it ain't got a thing, you just really can see it. And you hear that? That's air in the system bleeding back up through this thing, this reservoir. Okay, that's about half. I set it to the side, take a distilled water, let it bubble some of that down, and add half a gallon of water. Then we add another half antifreeze. I would have more antifreeze than water, yet water's gonna cool better. Listen to the air come out of it. You want to do this till it quits bubbling. You can squeeze your hoses, just like I'm doing here, and that will help a lot to get the air out a little bit faster. Also, don't forget to make sure your heater core is on when draining it, and when not draining it. So, turn those full blast. I don't even know if this works. Hopefully it does. The key is on. It should be good. So it's already got 2 gallons mixed in it. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more. And these are just guesstimates. You know, just guesstimates. And then we're going to start it and let it bleed while it's running and make sure it don't overheat or nothing. So heater core is wide open. You want to make sure your heater core is up. And you want to make sure, you know, the engine's running and we let it bleed. Once the thermostat opens, this should bleed the rest of the air out. Then we come up to operating temperature and it finishes bleeding the rest of the air out. And then once it, you know, pretty well cools off, you can top it off. After that, you want to let this cool off completely and then top it off to cold level. Ours is going to be a little bit low because ours is hot now and on the cold level, because antifreeze expands as it gets hot. So what we're going to do is let this cool off, then top it off, and then double check everything, and all the air should be out of this Mercedes. We should be good to go. I also found my power steering leak. I need a hose. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you're new, get subscribed. If you're returning subscriber, thanks for watching. As always, drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.